happy days and welcome to the first pop-up show from Rupert'S property show. And our first edition goes today to Condado De Alhama Golf Resort, where we are in Garden 7, apartment J501. And, well, as you can see, the weather is a little bit grayish today, not to say misty. Has about 26 degrees Celsius, so it's pretty warm. People in the pool enjoy the sunshine, well, enjoy the lifestyle here on Condado. And Rupert is showing you today a 3-bed, 1-bathroom, ground floor apartment here on Garden 7. By the way, for those ones who maybe have not noticed yet, I also have now my own Facebook page. So please check out Rupert'S Property Show on Facebook. Just give me a like so that I can inform you about the shows coming up. Because this week we have altogether 3 shows to do, at least. So apart from the one I'm doing today, there will be 2 shows on Thursday, which will be the normal show at 5 o'clock, and there will be another pop-up show from the Caribbean. So let's see. Stay tuned. Thursday, 5 o'clock, first show, and the other show will be around 8:30. But just follow me on Facebook, Rupert'S Property Show. Pretty simple, all one word. And you will be updated with all shows coming up, because I promise you there will be even more shows coming up. So, well, having said that, coming back to J501 here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort, enough said, let's have a look at the property. Well, we start, as nearly always, with the outside, with the big terrace here. And the terrace is equipped with nearly everything we can expect from a property here on the ground floor on Condado, which means we have awning covering the entire terrace. That's where it comes from, and it goes through the rail over there. Then we have guttering to make sure that the upstairs, when they clean that terrace, the water is properly channeled through and going down without disturbing the terrace. Apart from that, we have another awning which goes down, which is this one. This provides shade in the afternoon, as we are southwest facing, so we do get a fair share of sun, and sometimes you might prefer a little bit of shade in the afternoon after all day sunbathing. Having said that, we have as well another privacy screen here, which also allows a little bit more comfort, as well as another awning which comes down here to provide even more privacy. So that's just the outside. Now we have mosquito netting here on the main on the sliding door, and all the furnishing comes included. Even the bottle of cava is already included in the asking price of only 87,500, which is, in my opinion, quite good value for money. But we will see what we have in the inside. Walking through the main door, which is also, oops, what's that? Oh, this is our listing team just finishing off the 360 camera. Just let me have a look at the 360 camera thingy so people know what we are talking about. When you go on our webpage, you will see 360 imaging leading you through the property on a virtual tour. So you can have a look at each room, and that's the thingy. That's a 360 camera which has lenses on both sides. It's a dual camera thingy,
which combine a 360 image.
Exactly. So exactly. So, but we will leave Anna in peace now because she's pretty tired today, and we So coming back to the property. Sorry to disturb, Anna. I didn't know that you didn't finish yet. So thank you very much. Sorry to bother. So I'm just turning around here in the living room, where you can swing a cat. You might not be able to swing the tiger, but you can definitely swing a cat in here. So the property is equipped with air conditioning in all rooms, as well with static heaters here. They are quite useful because they have quite a good ratio on energy consumption, as well as the fully furnished, as we can see, with sofas, with dining table, with television, well, fully fitted now as everything here. And it's in pretty good nick, to say. What I did not mention is that also the outside has been recently painted and looks pretty good to me as well. So that's also an asset for here. So living room, then we come to the kitchen, which is what they call an open plan kitchen. Now we have a large fridge freezer, we have a dishwasher, oven cook, extractor fan, microwave, kettle, everything, you name it, we have it. And it should be also fully equipped, as I see, with everything we need to start here our life in this new property. It's J501 on Garden 7. I will show you then in the back now another advantage of this great location. Well, walking through the hallway, we come and end up here in the master bedroom. You do see my listing team here hiding in the sun or hiding in the shade, I don't know. And as well in here we have air conditioning. As we can see, all bedrooms and rooms are air conditioned, and the property is, as we said, is sold as seen, fully furnished. There is an additional television in here, for example. And now we're just walking through the sliding door. They're normally not that relaxed. They just pretend here to be relaxed. Yeah, normally we see them running in and out, but today they have decided that they give us a different aspect. Great. Apart from that, we do have privacy screens here on the back as well, which is quite handy because behind that there is the car park. Oops, I hope you can see that. No idea. And behind that we have the so-called Condado Club. Condado Club is a conglomerate of sport activities, being tennis, being paddle, being football, being basketball, you name it, we have it. It's all here. And they also provide a decent lunch food service and a bar as well. They're doing loads of activities here. So it's one of the social hubs on site, to say, but it's all focused inside. So there is not a big noise here because it's all focused towards the inside, which is quite nice, I think, and also make sure that nobody is really disturbed by their activity. As well, on the back terrace, we do see the air conditioning units. They have to be somewhere, so in this case, here they are. And as well, under this beautiful plastic cover, we do have a washing machine. Let me lift this up a little bit. There we go. A washing machine. Yeah. So pretty handy out here. So, because sometimes we find the washing machine in the kitchen, which is, in my opinion, totally useless, because you have to carry it out anyway to dry. So in this case, you have the washing machine just beside the spot where you will dry your laundry. Easy one, no? Okay, going back, we have to cross again the master bedroom, as this is connected to the outside terrace. Did I mention as well the fitted wardrobes? No, I didn't. So all bedrooms come as well with fitted wardrobes. Let's have a look in. Oh, better not. Better not have a look in here. So yes, it's a fitted wardrobe, works perfectly, has everything in there. We come to the second bedroom, equipped with 2 single beds, and as well another heater, as well as fitted wardrobes. Now I'll show you a little bit more so you can see this is covering nearly the entire wall here. And we have another air conditioning unit. Happy days. So we have already seen 3 air cons, we have seen 2 bedrooms, we see Rupert in the mirror. It's always somewhere. So I didn't expect that. Fine. Coming to the bathroom, which is equipped, as most of the bathroom in this world, with a mirror, obviously, hand wash basin, loo, and most important, bathtub, glass shower screen. So it's not the odd shower curtain, no, it's a decent glass shower screen. So that's okay. Continuing, what we have not seen yet is the third bedroom. Here we go. That's now the third bedroom with a bunk bed. And, well, also a small television in here. There we go. And, as well, fitted wardrobes and air conditioning included. So, the property, we get it as we see it. So, what we see is what we get. At the asking price of only 87,500 euros. Which means that you can get a decent property which is up and running. There's nothing to do in here except bring your suitcase, bring your stuff over and feel at home, because it has a very good feeling here. It's a very good location as well, seeing that the pool is just outside. Let me show you the distance to the pool. That's where we are. That's the pool. So we are in walking distance, crawling distance, whatever, shouting distance as well. The entrance is in the center here. The pools always have 2 entrances to avoid that kids just run into the pool. So there are 2 entrances here, one on this side, one on the other side. This year again, after COVID, we can use both entrances. As you remember, maybe over the last years, there was 1 entrance and 1 exit to make sure that people don't get the illness. So yes, that's what it is. And you might, when you pass by, you will see our flag here, which says Quality Homes Costa Caleda, our phone number, and for sale. Happy days. So this also catches quite attention. Well done. I think this is a great property. I don't have a reference yet because we've just taken the pictures today. So please watch out. Send me a line, maybe through WhatsApp, maybe through Facebook, or maybe just by email, info@qualityhomescostacaleda.com. And I will try to inform you ASAP about the condition, about the reference on our webpage. So you can see even more pictures, photos, virtual tour, a decent description, so everything necessary to make a first decision if you might be interested. We are southwest facing on Garden 7, which is quite an attractive garden with residents from all over, with owners from all over. So it's quite a mixed society here, which is good. So I think it's one of the nicer gardens, but I think everybody thinks about his garden. That's the nicest garden on site. So, well, great terrace, great inside, and I think 87,500 is taking the actual market conditions and seeing that now the new build apartments are already above 130k for a two-bed, two-bathroom apartment. I think we're really nearly underselling these ones at 87,500. So I would rather recommend to decide, in case you're interested in purchasing something here in Spain, to decide rather quickly, because this might fly off the shelf given the condition and given also the equipment, because there is nothing else you can do in here. It's the radiators fitted, it's the air cons fitted, we have dishwasher, washing machine, we have all kitchen appliances, we have decent furnishing here, we even have a water filter installed, so when you purchase the property, you don't need to wait for Quality Homes to install the water filter. I know we have a backlash, so it's already here. So from this point of view, water filter wise, we should be fine. And I think it's really something to think about. Okay, having said that, thank you very much for participating today in my property show. It was initially called Virtual Open House. So thanks very much for watching. And as I said, in case you want to see more of my shows, just give me a like on Facebook, also on Instagram, Rupert'S Property Show, and we will make sure that you will get first-hand information about the shows coming up. But stay tuned. As I said, on Thursday, we will have two shows, one at 5 o'clock from one location and around 8:30 from the Caribbean. So looking forward to see you again this week, Thursday. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, and God bless. Cheers, bye.